I am in Arecibo today, about an hour from San Juan. This is where you will find the Cueva Del Indio, the Indian cave, one of the largest collections of petroglyph drawings from the indigenous Taino. The Taino arrived on the island 1,000 years before Christopher Columbus, making their mark and having their impact on what makes this La Isla del Encanto. Join me as we climb into this cave through a narrow gap. It is challenging, it is difficult, and people have been hurt. So please heed that warning. This is not for people with limited mobility or small children. That being said, I'm going to take you inside the cave, show you exactly what's involved, what you can expect, and then of course, the beautiful display of petroglyphs in this cave. We're going to begin here. This is the entrance to the cave. It's about 6 feet off the ground. There is a light impression for a foot on the way up. You do have to use strong footing and strong handholds getting into the cave. There's one place where you also have to step across a relatively challenging space. So let's go in this cave, explore, see what it looks like, how challenging it really is, if you feel like you can do it. And after that, I'm going to show some highlights of the area, the 7 arches, as well as the beautiful beach right here nestled inside this coastline. As we enter into the cave, you can see there's some places for your foot here on each side. I'm trying to do this while holding a camera as well. It's currently high tide right now, and I saw surfers out there surfing the waves. So as you can see, it's a little tricky here. Please be careful. About to make the climb over. Again, you have to have a very good footing here, very good hold. There are some spaces here like this. And here, of course, is the most challenging part. So you have to get down onto this ledge here, and then you're home free. But as you can see, it's beautiful. Let me turn around, show the entrance here. As I mentioned, you can hear the waves crashing inside the hole in the cave. Looks decent, but as I mentioned, this is very difficult and a little dangerous right there in that spot. So, okay, here we go. Ooh, down here you can see where the water is coming into the cave. And up here we get our first glimpse of some petroglyphs. Here's where we came from. Came down here, stepped on this rock right here, and then of course here's the cave opening. I can hear already these guys probably don't like the light, but as you can see, there are many sleeping bats in the cave. So now we're going to make our way down through the cave very gently. The rocks can be a little slippery, as they definitely are right now. Have some light for us, lighting the way. More bats. Beautiful. Just amazing. So here we are. Find some good footing, some good places for your hands. You have to make a few. Again, it is a little damp in here because of the high tide. Aha! And here we are. Crabs and lizards running everywhere, and bats, as we make our way down to the bottom of the cave, where we will find the largest collection of petroglyph drawings here on the island, one of the largest in the world. And here we are. Beautiful. Just amazing. It's high tide right now, so wouldn't recommend walking through this way. However, I have gone through here many times. Wow, just beautiful. So here we can see some of the beautiful displays of petroglyph drawings from the Taino. The Taino believed that they, as well as all mankind, originated from caves, first walked out of a cave. And this was no doubt a very sacred area for them, ceremonious. Beautiful. These petroglyphs date back 700 to 1,000 years. Of course, the original inhabitants of this island may have been our island mascot, the Coqui. Coqui is loved on the island, and it sings its song when the sun goes down every evening. In fact, the Taino have petroglyphs around the island of the Coqui. The history of this island is so important, and the Taino played an important part in that history. So as we make our way back out of the cave, I see some bats flying. This is their cave, of course, so we have to be respectful of that, but wow, just amazing. Just beautiful. So here we go. Again, you have to put your foot on this rock, firm holding, and then use that far edge as leverage. So as you can see here, I have my foot down below. My hand over here with my trusty light. I put another foot over here as I'm working my way back up this edge. Again, I can't stress enough that this is not easy, and I do not recommend visiting this cave. However, many people ask me about it and its historical significance. So I wanted to share with you just how dangerous it can be. So I know I say this a lot, but really amazing. Yes, I mean just beautiful. Challenging, of course. Should you do it? That's entirely up to you and your skill level. But is it worth it? To me it is. And just an amazing example of these local Taino Petroglyph drawings. So tell me in the comments, did you love this? Would you like to see something else? And just right back out this way here. And we're done. Again, use your body against the cave wall. Ooh, we made it back out. Never been to the island before, trust me, it's one of the most beautiful places on earth, and it is definitely the most beautiful place you can visit without a passport from the United States. I hope you enjoyed this amazing exploration of Cueva del Indio and Arecibo, Puerto Rico. If you like this video, please subscribe. I have many others, and I have many others to come as well. So please check back and you can watch more videos here.